you have to make sure that you have an identity and a purpose and a passion outside of your full-time job, whether that's a hobby, whether that's a side hustle, whether that's a passion project that you're working on, whether that's, working out, playing a new sport, picking up a new hobby. Like, it has to be something. Your life cannot revolve around the work that you do because you won't be able to like kind of separate when those, and that was something I struggled with when I first started. I couldn't, like, I was so kind of like, and I still am like ambitious and, kind of like, I want to make sure that I put forth very good and quality work. But I was finding myself like those lines between my personal life and my work life became like those, especially those hours became very blurred to me when I first got out because I was in such this rush to kind of prove myself and show like why I belonged on this team, why I was selected for this role, et cetera, et cetera. And that definitely took a negative, toll on me mentally. And when you are working in these demanding roles, and this isn't even just for someone in big two, this is anybody, right? Anybody working, putting in time, putting in 40 plus hours a week, you deserve this, right? Like, you deserve to have an outlet. You deserve to have something to look forward to outside of, your 9 to 5, whatever your hours are. You deserve to have something to kind of take that stress away, to be able to decompress, to be able to put your energy into, because without that, you're going to lose yourself. You're not going to be able to have an identity for yourself outside of work. And that's the last thing that I want for myself, for anybody listening to this, to believe that their purpose and their extent on this earth is to just be like employee of a company. I'm not saying that everyone is bound to be the next freaking, Sam Altman, bound to be the next, Y series combinator, startup founder, or the next big Shark Tank competitor. I'm not saying that, but I know that everyone has a purpose. And one of those ways that you find those purposes, or that you find your purpose, for being here is through different outlets. Is through finding ways to keep yourself entertained, to keep yourself stress free, to keep yourself healthy, to get your mind off of the thing that consumes, most of your time during the weeks. That's something I've definitely taken seriously. Like, like things since I've, been more consistent than ever, kind of getting in the gym. I've taken up a few kind of like side projects I'm working on and interest I've had for a while, but I didn't really just have the free time to kind of do the research that I needed to. Things like that, right? Like, I've been able to, put time towards things that I really want to and put my, money and energy towards things that I'm actually interested in. Obviously, I still put forth my best foot at work, but it's just kind of like making sure that you have that distinction, you have that kind of like line in the sand to understand like, okay, this is enough for this. It's time for me to kind of like you just have to know how to separate those things. That's just another thing I wanted to call out. But I mean, outside of all the, obviously it's demanding, it's tough, it's rigorous, ambitious. It's been, I think, definitely been a blessing, for the both of us. I think for what it's kind of provided for us financially, the network of people we've been able to meet, being able to kind of like just work at one of the most cutting edge, one of the world's most valuable companies. It's a once in a lifetime, like it's definitely a privilege. Like, it's a blessing to be here. I don't want, it's very easy to get comfortable in roles like these and just take it for granted and just kind of look at it as like something that you are entitled to and that something that you are privileged to. But I am very aware that like anything that has been given to me can be taken away. So I just take every day with like I have this sense of purpose with me every day, knowing that like, hey, I worked my tail off to be here. So that's just kind of how I view it. And I think that when you give yourself that sense of purpose going into each day, it makes your working days a lot more enjoyable and purpose filled, instead of just kind of dreading every day waking up like a freaking robot or something like that.